Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to spoof an IP and what you can do with that, and maybe answer some other questions you have. So, first we're going to import Scapy. Import socket, import sys, and from random we're going to import randint. Okay, so the target IP is the IP we're going to be using to spoof. So you could make this a random IP if every single time you sent a packet, if you wanted to. If you want, why you might want to do that is to make it hard to really trace it back to you, because you just keep sending packets saying different IPs. It's gonna look like a botnet or something. If you're doing some kind of amplification attack, the target is going to be the IP that we're sending data from the, the server is going to be sending data to. So we're going to make a small request to an NTP server, for example, and then they're going to send a mon list, which is like the 600 last people to ask for a request, back to the IP. And we don't want to send that, we don't want that back to our IP, because then we're just going to DDoS ourselves. We're going to send it back to the target IP. So hopefully that answers some questions. I'm just going to use 127.0.1, which is the host IP. Okay, then I'm just going to copy and paste my packet, because it's kind of hard to remember all this. Basically, the target is the source IP. So if you wanted to change this to something else, you change to that. Sorry about my clock. For source port, we're just making it a random port, and destination port is going to be 80. So if you wanted to, let's say, use DNS, it'd be 53. NTP is 123, and then our load, which is going to be our payload, is data. So we haven't defined that yet. So our payload in this example is going to be hello, and then because that's actually a string, it needs to be a byte-like object. We're going to encode it, and then we need to make a socket. Instead of making a socket, you could just do, let's make a new line here. You could just do send packet, and then you could have like a while loop or something. But I like to use socket. I don't really know why, but it's just probably because I've done a lot with socket. We're going to be using a UDP. And then we're going to send to our target. Actually, no, we're going to send the target. It's going to be that people trying to spoof. So we should probably change this to like spoofed IP. And then our target could be like, let's just make the DNS servers. This is Google's DNS server. We can send to, first we're gonna actually put our data in. That's just how the syntax is. And then we're going to send to target at port 53. And then we're going to just print sent, so that we know it's sent. And I'm going to save it as like YouTube or something. Okay, it's sent. I know you won't be able to see it. But it is sent. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I could do with some other kind of amplification attacks. Just let me know if you'd like to see them. Hopefully you don't have any questions, but if you do, let me know in the comments. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, let me know why. I'll see you guys in the next video.